What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I got some new Outre units I want to show you guys, but first I have to give a special shout out to my sis Magical Blackness. When you are finished with this video, please go check out her channel. She does all different types of wig reviews, from human hair to synthetic to all different types of colors. So if you're a huge bright color fan, she is too, so follow her channel. Also, this collab is very special because it's her birthday collab. She's doing a whole birthday week of collabs, and her theme is all about the elements. So if you want to check that out, again, make sure you are following her so you can see how everybody is coming. This is how she coming in our collab. You see it. We both coincidentally went with the black thing. She told me the colors I could go for, and I went with black, and coincidentally so did she. And we both have blonde bobs too. You'll see mine towards the end. But yeah, so make sure you check out her channel. Okay, so I have Outre Isabella, and the one I'm showing you for the install portion is going to be the 1B color. You can see the inside here, elastic band, combs all throughout the perimeter, and adjustable straps in it as well. It is a lace part unit from the Melted Hairline. It does come pre-plucked, and I am happy with the pre-plucked job that they did on this one. A whole lot better than I was with the last one I reviewed. I think it was Mindy. That hairline was thick. This one was on point though. Also the lace, it's the typical kind of HD transparent lace that they've been giving us. I think they do such a great job with that. You already know. I was liking where this was going. This is what it looks like before I do anything to it. I really didn't have to do much with this wig at all. It's pretty basic, and not in a bad way, like, oh, this is basic. Like, it's just a basic kind of everyday kind of wig. So I know typically I kind of run through plucking the hairline real quick because I don't want to be redundant for you guys, because I know so many people have seen me talk about plucking over and over. But I recognize, I got some new subscribers here. So hey, y'all. I do want to go over that because I did get a comment from someone on a more recent video saying they wanted a certain wig that was similar to this style of melted hairline wig, but they weren't sure how to pluck. So I'm going to go over that again real quick for those who don't know. When it comes to these types of wigs where it's just like already kind of pre-plucked, what I like to do is just pluck at the front of the hairline so that I can make sure that it looks really sparse in the front, because I don't use a ton of baby hair. If you're going to use the baby hair, you don't need to do all the plucking work to make it look like it's coming out of your pores like I'm trying to do. You can just do it as is, because after that line of baby hair, that is what the hairline looks like. But because I don't do a lot of baby hair, I want it to look like that without me having to do baby hair. The biggest tip I can give anyone who's new to plucking is go slow as you need to, and don't stay in the same area too long so you don't create a bald spot. But here's where you can see the difference of the side I haven't plucked yet and the side that I have plucked. You can see they did a really good job, because I didn't have to pluck that much. And the hairline really does look really good already. I just like to go the extra mile, but you can do what works for you. After that, I spray it down with my Don't Touch My Hair Lace Tint. Y'all have seen me talk about this spray a million times over since I got it. I still love this spray. It does wash off if you wash the wig, so you just reapply it if you want to. It does get on my nails and things, but it slides right off. Like, this stuff is so amazing and so lightweight. I really love it. I got a new blow dryer. I still have my other blow dryer that looks like a water bottle. Everybody says it looks like a water bottle, but I got a new one too. This one's has the brush attachment, and that's the only attachment to it. It's really good for these wigs and stuff. But my mom actually gave it to me. But anyway, so I got a blow dryer, and I'm just blow drying the lace tint so it'll be nice and dry when I put it on my head. So I felt like the cap size of this wig was right on point. It's very roomy. I felt like Outre wigs, they've been pretty roomy lately. So it's on point with that. I would definitely classify it as big head friendly. I did notice though, they've gone, at least on Isabella, they've gone back with the amount of lace space that they give you in the front. I felt like on the last couple of melted hairline units, it's been like a lot of extra lace in the front, which I appreciated because I need the extra lace on my sides. This one, I wouldn't say it's not enough, but it's definitely a little bit less. So I am still using my mousse from Don't Touch My Hair. I'm probably going to use these products till they empty, because I really like the products. Like, they were not playing no games with the formulas that they did for these products that they have. But anyways, so after I used that to flatten the hair down, I pulled out my got to be glued spray, and I'm just going over the whole hairline except for my two sides to lay it down right quick. I tied my satin scarf around, and then I blow dried with the scarf on for a bit, couple minutes or so, like maybe 3 minutes. And then I took the scarf off and continued to blow dry without it on so I could make sure that the wig was pretty, secured. Also, since I had my blow dryer going already to help me dry the front of the wig, I just took the brush part and just brushed into the wig to kind of help me flatten it down and to help me position the hair in the front how I want it to go. So after all that, now I'm cutting off the lace, and then I'm going to go back and secure my sides. I like to do those isolated most of the times because for whatever reason, I be having a hard time securing my sides more than I do the front of my wig. So I'll just handle that most times and then come back to my sides after the front is secured. And that's what I'm doing today. Another tip is you want to make sure when you're cutting off the lace, you want to get as close to that hairline as you possibly can. That's how you get that what wig look on the hairline, is when you make sure there's no excess lace for people to see. And then whatever little parts came up from me cutting the lace off, I just laid them back down. Didn't take more than like 30 seconds. Here's a close-up of me doing my sides over here. It's simple and easy. It's the same way that I install the front is how I do my sides. It's just that once the wig is already secured in most areas and I go back and do the sides, I can really just concentrate on them and I don't have to worry about my wig moving around and everything because it's already pretty much secured. Even though I feel like this does have a little bit less of that lace edge than the last couple units of the melted hairline I've been reviewing, I definitely still feel like you get full ear-to-ear coverage. The texture, though, to me is on, it's not quite yucky, not quite silky. It's some type of in-between because it's totally on the smooth, shinier side. But it has some type of little bit of crinkle to it, but I wouldn't necessarily call it yucky. So if you like textured units, you might not like this one. If you can get down with the in-between of like a silky and a yucky, then this will be good for you. I did add just a little bit of baby hair to the front, same way I've normally been doing it. I actually could have gotten away with not doing any baby hair at all with the way this hairline came out. Have y'all peeped this melt? Like, it melted down really well. Outre, you already know, don't play no games though. So I took my hot comb out one to help me set the hair in place. And also because I just felt like, and I feel like it's just me, but I feel like this wig is just sitting weird for me. Like, it took a lot of work for me to get this one flattened down the way that I wanted it. You can actually probably tell more when I show you how it looks in the blonde, how it just was not sitting flat at the top. Like, no matter if I pushed the hairline back, no matter what I did, it just would not totally sit flat for me. I even tried adding some freeze spray to help me lay it down, and it just was not totally getting together. I felt like the black came together really nicely, but again, you'll see when you see the blonde at the end more of what I'm talking about. This black came out nice though, I can't even front. Very minimal tangling and shedding with this unit. I didn't expect much because it is a shorter unit, so it's not really rubbing up against your neck all like that. I mean, it is still shoulder length, so you'll probably have to watch out for those ends kind of getting rough after a while. But other than that, like, the wig is really, really low maintenance. I'm using my Fit Me setting powder in the color 25 in the part to help me brighten that up a little bit, especially since I have on a black wig cap. So this is the final result. I really like how this turned out in 1B. It's a perfect kind of everyday, kind of office kind of unit. It's one of those for sure. It's got a nice little angle to it, but it's a slight angle, so it's not bamming your face with it. It's got a nice density. I like this unit in 1B for sure. Now the blonde, my main concern with the blonde was everything was the same, but you can see it on my shirt. It's a shedder. Cute color, but it's a shedder for sure. Don't forget to head over to Magical Blackness's channel and wish her a happy, happy, happy birthday. Right now it's her early birthday. I do believe her birthday is about 6 days from now. But we'll go ahead and go wish her a happy birthday and check out her review on her blonde bob that she got. It's super cute. And don't forget to check out the rest of her collabs she's doing for her birthday all week. If you're interested in the wigs I reviewed, they will be down below in the description box. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!